Hello guys, good morning. So, makikita nyo dito sa presentation ko ngayon is isang activity which involves lifting operations, no? So, lifting operations in the sense of using barge is they need to have a critical or comprehensive risk assessment and lifting plan. Okay guys, kasi hindi to basta-basta gawa ng sa anong factor. Una sa lahat is yung unstable yung ground or yung barge. Kasi since nasa tubig siya, pwede siyang mag-swing, okay, or out balance due to the weight that they are carrying out. So, kailangan nila ng comprehensive risk assessment and lifting plan. Magsusing pag-aaral, guys. So, tignan nyo, tapos tandem lift pa sila. So, napaka-critical talaga nito, guys. So, pag-aralan mabuti, involve all the lifting engineers, lifting supervisors, of course, and the safety people around that activity para maiwasan ng ganitong aksidente. Okay, guys? So, that is number one guide or information na ibibigay ko sa inyong araw na to. Make sure you have comprehensive risk assessment, lifting plan during the execution of any critical activity or critical lift, especially when working above water. Okay guys, and have a safe day. Thank you.